very much hear his own experience how the self-help groups and the rural enterprises can get into international business. Swamiji.
Huh.
How much you want to show one photo? Yeah, you speak, na?
The system is called JIT, JIIT, Jointly Income with Incumbency Training. The innovative concept is that SHG members in block are not only producer, they are customer salesmen also for their SHG products. Through all SHG are members involving under Swadeshi Protha. So some percentage of net profit will be distributed to all members. For